We'll start our maths class. Already we have started exercise 4. We have already done this one problem. Next we will do word problems. They have given many word problems there. 8 word problems are there. So we'll do only 2. Others you can practice at home. Okay. First, need not write anything. First look at the board here. Word problem. First one, there are 3,278 students in a school. In a school, there are 3,278 students in a school, out of which 1,587 are girls. Find the number of boys. They have given, you have to find the number of boys. First you understand what they are telling here. Here they are 3,278 students are there in a school. In a total school, there are how much? 3,278 students are there, out of which 1,587 are girls. Find the number of boys. You have to find the number of boys. To do that one, what you are going to do? Here, find the number of boys means you have to subtract there. So answer total number of students. First we'll write the total number of students. Total number of students. So how many students are there? They are given 3,000. How much? 3,278 are students, totally students in the school. Total number of students are how much? 3,278. So next, number of girls. How many girls are there? They have already given there. So how many are girls? 1,587 are girls. So one below the other you have to write. In thousands place you are writing 1. In hundreds place you are writing 5. In tens place you are writing 8. The last one in ones place you are writing 7. One below the other you have to write. Then easily you can subtract here. So next, here number of boys. Total number of boys you have to find. To find that one, what we are doing? We are subtracting here. So from which side you will start? We'll start from ones. So what is the number they have given? 8 minus 7. From 8 you have to minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much is remaining? Only 1 is remaining. So write in the ones place. Understood all of you? Total number of students are 3,278. Number of girls are 1,587. You are writing one below the other and you are subtracting. From 8, if you minus 7, you will get how much? 1. So write down 1. In the tens place, you see, what is the number they have given? 7 minus 8. From 7, can we minus 8? No. So we'll go to the hundreds place. What is the number in the hundreds place? They have given 2. From 2, if you minus 1, how much you will get? 1. So write down this 1 here. This one we are carrying to the tens place. So how much it has become? 17 minus 8. So 8 you have to keep on your finger. Start counting backwards. 17, 16, 15, then 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. The next number is what? 9. So write down 9 here. Next, in hundreds place, 1 minus 5. From 1 can I minus 5? No. Go to the thousands place. In thousands place, what is the number they have given? 3. From 3, if you minus 1, how much you'll get? 2. So write down 2 here. This one I'm carrying here in hundreds place. 11 minus 5. From 11, if you minus 5, how much you'll get? You have to start backwards. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. The next number is what? 6. So write down 6 here. Next, 2 minus 1. From 2, if you minus 1, how much you'll get? 1. So answer is how much? 1691 is the answer. Number of boys are how much? 1691 are boys. You can copy down in your rough notebook. Already I have given in the notes. Yes or no? If you have not copied, copy it in your rough notebook, this one. Do it fast. 8 problems they have given in your textbook. Only 2 I have taken. So remaining at home, you can practice. Understood? Remaining problems, you can practice. So copy down fast this one. Finished? You can pause and you can copy down. The second one, Sanjay has 4,258 comics books in his store. In his store, he is having a comics books. In his store, Sanjay decides to close his comics bookstore he is now left with 387 comic books how many copy down fast. Copy down fast. Finished? How many comic books Finished? How many comic books did Sanjay sell? So here they have given one word problem. Here Sanjay has 4,258 comics books in his store. Store means he's having one shop. He's having one comics books. So magazine types. So Sanjay decides to close his shop, comic book store. He is now left with 387 comics book. How many comics book did Sanjay sell? So he is having first, how much he was having? 4,258 he was having. When he is closing the shop, he has only 387 books. So how much he has sold, we have to find. To find that one, what we are doing? We are subtracting. So answer, how you are writing? Number of comics books. Number of comics books in the store. In the store means in the shop, how much he was having first? So first he was having how much, you have to see. So 4,258 he was having. So write down 4,258. He was having first how many books? 4,258. Next, number of comics books. Comics books left. How much he is having now? When he is closing the shop, how much he is having? 387. So how you are going to write? Here you can see 3 digits, here 4 digits. So which place you are writing 7? In ones place you are writing. This 8 where you are writing? In tens place. This 3 where you are writing? In hundreds place. Understood all of you? From ones place you have to start to write. Don't write from this side. You have to write from ones, tens, hundred. Understood? Next. Here number of comics books Sanjay sold. So how much he has sold? To find that one we are subtracting. Understood all of you? Here once again I'll explain here. He is having a comic book shop. In that total how many books are there? 4,258 books are there. In that he has decided to close the shop. So what he is doing? He has sold that one so many books. How many are left with him? 387 books are left with him. So how much he has sold, you have to find out. To find that one, what we are doing? We are writing 4,258 minus 387. We are subtracting. Then we will find out that how much he has sold. Understood? Now, from one side, we will start 8 minus 7. From 8, if you minus 7, how much you will get? 1. So, write on 1. In the tens place, you see 5 minus 8. From 5, can I minus 8? From smaller bigger number, can I minus bigger number? No. So, go to the which place? Hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is the number they have given? 2. From 2, if you minus 1, how much you will get? 1. This one I am writing in tens place. This one I will write in hundreds place. Understood all of you now? From 2, I am minusing 1. This one I will write in tens place. This one I'll write in hundreds place. From 15, if I minus 8, so backwards you have to do 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. The next number is what? 7. So write on 7 here. Understood all of you? Next in hundreds place, 1 minus 3. From 1 can I minus 3? No. Go to the thousands place. In 1000, what is the number? 4. From 4, if you minus 1, how much you'll get? 3. So write on this 3, 1 I'll carry to the hundreds place. 11 minus 3. From 11, if you minus 3, how much you'll get? 8. So write on answer 8. The next in thousands place, what is the number they have given? Only 3 you have. Any number is there to subtract with 3? No. Bring this 3 down. So, number of comics books Sanjay sold. How much he has sold? 3,871 books he has been sold from Sanjay. Understood all of you? First he was having 4,258 books. When he wanted to close the shop, he has sold some books and he has left only 387 books. So with that, if you minus, you will get how much he has sold. Sanjay, how much he has sold the books, you will understand. Understood? How much he has sold? 3,871. Copy done fast. You can pause and you can copy down. Finished? Finish it fast. Next, here in the page number, all of you take our textbook, page number 129 it is there, see? 129. Finished all of you? Fourth main. Fourth main. Find the missing digits. We have not done now that one. We'll finish that one. Find the fourth main. Find the missing digits. Find the missing digits. First one you see, one example I will show. Here, first one, 8-2-4-4. In your class or book, I have given this one. Yes or no? Simple method, you can do this one. See here subtraction. The same way, find the missing digits in addition also we have done. Yes or no? When addition we were doing, we have also done this one. Yes or no? So here what happens, sometimes you have to add, sometimes you have to subtract. Even if it is a minus sign, So what you are going to do, sometimes to find the answer you have to add, sometimes you have to subtract. Here what they have given here, dash minus 4, 2 they have given. To fill this number, what you are going to do, you have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6. So write down 6. Understood? Don't write. You understand this one. The method. So when you have to, after writing, you have to check whether the answer is correct or not. From 4, if you minus, from 6, if you minus 4, how much you'll get? From 6, if you minus 4, how much you'll get? 2 is the answer. We have got the answer correct. Understood? How to do? Even if it is subtraction, what we are doing? We are adding this 2. 4 plus 2 is how much? 4 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6. So 6 we are writing. From 6, if you minus 4, you will get answer 2. Understood all of you? Next one you see. The second one, the second in tens place. In tens place you see, they have given 2 minus dash 0 they have given here. To get 0 here, what you are filling here? You have to use little, see here, to fill this gap, here you have got 0. The answer you have got 0. What if you fill, you will get the answer here 0. 2 minus 2. From 2, if you minus 2. From 2, if I minus 2, how much you will get? 0 answer. Understood? All of you, how to do this one? See here, from 2 minus, if you do anything, you will get the answer 0. To get 0, what we are doing? 2 minus 2. From 2, if you minus 2, you will get the answer 0. Understood all of you? Next one you see, in hundreds place, they have given dash minus 4. Answer you have got 4. Yes or no? To find that one, what you are doing here, you have to add this 2. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So write down 8. 8 minus 4. From 8, if you minus 4, how much you will get? Answer 4. After writing the answer, you have to check whether the problem you have done correctly or not. Understood? I have added this 2 and I have written 8. From 8, if I minus 4, how much you will get? 4 is the answer. Understood all of you? Next, here I have got 8 minus dash 2 I have got here. So, what we are going to do? From 8, I will minus 2. From 8, I will minus 2. How much you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, write down 6 here answer. You have to subtract 8 minus 6. From 8, if I minus 6, how much you will get? Answer 2. After doing this one, you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. See here, 6 minus 4. From 6, if I minus 4, how much I have got? 2. So, write down 2. From 2, if I minus 2, from 2, if I minus 2, how much you have got? 0. From 8, if I minus 4, from 8, if I minus 4, how much? 4 is the answer. From 8, if